The cube is a shipping container that has been put on pontoons. It was originally a show home for the outback. It's essentially a tiny home. So when you arrive at the cube and take those first steps down the rungs on the gangplank, the relaxation sets in straight away. And whether it's hanging out on the egg chairs, fishing from the deck, barbecuing on the deck, or just having a nice romantic evening together, it's all here. We have some beautiful swans that come to visit us. They're beautiful 6 cygnets, they're baby swans, and it's lovely to watch them. They're like a human family, parents looking after the little children, and yeah, it's just beautiful. Nature at its best. You have this beautiful large deck for entertaining, and as you go inside we have a little lounge area that's got a TV, beautiful bathroom with a rain head shower. But my favourite part of the cube is the bedroom. It's a nice area to lounge on during the day, and as you open up the big doors you go out onto the little veranda with the egg chairs. It's just simply stunning. The cube is our little floating paradise, sitting under the willow trees, floating in the water. It's relaxation, the epitome of relaxation. When we come out here, it just brings our lives to a whole different level. We just relax, we stop, we enjoy each other.